Okay, so I've already recorded a bunch for YouTube. I've already ran through a napkin. Basically, it's the land, air, and sea. You have to put it together. It's the fillet of fish and the McChicken, which I think I already put the box in the bag, and the Big Mac. Oh my gosh, I've already got heartburn. Now, I've already recorded a 7-minute video for YouTube. There's like a pile of stuff here. So basically you have the Big Mac, the fillet of fish, and the McChicken. There's a lot of bread here. This is so nasty. Like I said on my YouTube video, Anthony Bourdain is rolling in his grave, like rolling. Okay, I don't even know if I can fit it in my whole, like I've been struggling to get it all in my whole mouth. I'm not gonna choke at McDonald's. I want to eat you like an animal. Oh my gosh. Like, I've got mostly McChicken left because the McChicken patty keeps squirming and dodging my bites. It's like, no, I did not ask to be a part of this. Oh my. Oh, wild. Like, look at this. A whole pile of napkins. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pay for this later tonight, I just know it. This is hilarious. It's a little sad now that I think the burger's gone. Oh wait, here, I got some burger pieces. I don't know even why I got these fries. Maybe I can heat them up later in my air fryer or something. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe to like palate cleanse. Though I will say, if you get a bunch of the fries and you hold it over while you're eating, you got animal fries when you're done. Oh look, another burger piece. Okay, to answer Sir Jerry Turner of Cincinnati, Ohio's question, this is the land, air, and sea. So basically, I can't even keep a straight face. It's a Big Mac, a fillet of fish, and a McChicken that you put together into one sandwich that I then squish down. And they call it the land, air, and sea. There's also a surf and turf. Oh my God, I don't even want to know how many calories I'm eating right now. This is so bad. This is so bad. And of course I got a Diet Coke to wash it down with. Why? Because when you're eating probably like 4,000 calories in your sandwich alone, you should probably wash it down with just Diet Coke. It's like falling apart. It's so big. Oh my God. So, there is a separate YouTube video where I actually built it and everything and started eating it. Oh, this is a lot. We're now down to air and sea. Oh wait, I got some chunks of land left. Oh my God, this is so bad. This is worse. This is possibly worse than the time I did ghost pepper wings. Literally. Probably worse than when I did ghost pepper wings. Now I'm hungry, but not for that. Yeah. This is only for the brave. And I'm saying that you will want the burger. Like, I should have set aside one of the patties. Are you hungry like the wolf, L? Okay, like, I don't even know if I can, like, look at this. Bread. Bread. Sauce. Bread. I'm doing it. I'm not a quitter, baby. I'm a driver. I'm a winner. Things are going to happen. Oh my God. Now, 2 hours from now, when I'm complaining on Facebook that I'm going to be sick as all hell, please remind me that I thought this was a good idea. Okay, I think all that is left is bread and sauce. I don't know why. Oh, I know why I got these fries. Because I had points left. I'm going to expire. I need a little drink. I hope you loaded up on digestive enzymes. It's funny that you say that because one of my influencer groups sent me a package of like Maddie's acid reflux digestive care stuff. So we might be testing that tonight. Oh, it's like a rock. It's like a rock. I feel like it's sitting here at like a rock at the base of my esophagus, being like, let me in. I don't know why I got this ketchup. I don't know how I'm gonna eat these fries. I think these fries are going home. Heat these suckers up. Yeah. Lord. Lord have mercy on my stomach, please. All right, I'm taking my ketchup home. I'm taking my fries home. I'm going to try something with one of these fries. Let's see. Animal style fries. Hey, McDonald's, if you're listening, here's the next thing. Just cop In-N-Out and just do animal style fries. So basically, the sandwich is done. So if you are just joining the live now, you're going to have to watch the YouTube. After I probably hate my life. Those are definitely going home. I'll heat them up in my air fryer later. Ooh, I'm telling you, it's sitting here like a rock. Like, and I used 1, 2, 3 napkins. It's like 1 napkin per sandwich. Oh my God. Oh, and it's sitting here like a lump too. It's like, oh, yes. Oh, yep. Definitely going to be doing some belching or something. Try those enzymes to see. Yep. We're gonna heat those fries up in the air fryer later, watching some figure skating while I'm probably dying and editing the YouTube video. Oh. That was intense. And like I said, if you missed it, there's a YouTube video too. Or watch this. You won't get the full effect as the YouTube video because the YouTube's videos where I actually built it and took the first bites before the meat patty just went onto the tray. So I am now going to get ready to venture out into the cold again. And I don't know, go like and subscribe to my YouTube and watch the freaking chaos there.